Hey guys, welcome back, and today we will be finally showing you guys. Come over here. Yeah, if we can show you guys how I ride this, and so a couple videos ago I showed you how everything works. So if you don't know what this is, then you can go in my last video. And before I start, my brother has something to say.
Subscribe.
You can turn it around.
Subscribe or our cat will be sad.
He means our cat, but okay. Could you move please, Emmy? So, you can zoom in a little bit. We start it with this thing down. Come over here. With this thing on start, because we're starting it. Pull it. If it doesn't work, which means it's already warmed up, which means I put it on run. Pull it, and then come over here so it's not too loud. And then I gotta let it warm up. I've been using it for a little bit, so it shouldn't be too much. So, I'm gonna go to the end of the driveway. You're just gonna follow me. I'll be going slow. And then when we get over here, actually I know what you could do. See, go like behind the tree over there. Go to the edge of where the cul-de-sac is. Okay?
Okay. Should I go now?
Yeah, you can go now. I'll be there in a sec.
There he comes.
So that isn't it at its like fastest yet. But what he's gonna do is go down near the mailbox and I'll come down pretty fast, okay?
Okay.
Actually no, go down like right there.
Okay.
Wait for her.
There he goes.
Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see me do more stuff with this bike, make sure to tell me. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. See you guys. Okay, you're done.